Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Jessica, and today I have a super quick project polish update for you. I have been using some of these things, but not all of these polishes that I have in here, and so some things have zero progress on them, and a few of them have some progress. Project polish has been around for like 6 million years, and it was originally created by Pretty Pistol 86. I do not believe she still creates content, but I'm pretty sure I will have her link down below. And then I am just doing this from January 1st until December 31st, and I'll probably reboot it for next year because I enjoy it. I like nail stuff, and oddly enough, I'm not wearing any of my project polishes on my hands right now, but I digress. I'm working on a lot of polishes that are not in this project, so I'm going to show you what I did not use at all. And then I'll show you the 4 that I did actually use. So the first one I did not use is this green one from Artmatic. Still sitting at this line right here. I will use it. I promise I'll use it. All right. I redid this line because this is where it was in a project before, but I'm well above this line because I added clear polish in it because it was getting a little bit thick. So this is the line where I'm actually starting. So we'll be able to track it better that way. Did I even say what this was? It is Till We Meet Again, Sephora. OPI by Sephora? Sephora by OPI? I don't remember. It's the collaboration between Sephora and OPI. All right, this one is Clean Color Holiday Jingle. So I didn't use this at all, so I'm still sitting at this line right here. This is another one where I added some clear polish to it, so it's higher than it was when I had it in previous projects. So these are my old lines, and this is my new line. This is Avon Saturn. So hopefully I'll get some progress on that one. We've got Elf. What is this one called? Love Me. And yeah, I didn't use it at all, so I'm still right there. And then Revlon Cherries in the Snow. I am at that bottom line. So those I did not use. Hopefully I will use some of them before the next update. The ones I did use, and I actually was able to draw a line on. Another one from Artmatic. This one is in a deep blue. You can see where I was and where I am now. Not like the biggest progress, but it is progress. So, you know, yay me on that one. This one is another one added clear polish to. This one is To the Moon from Sally Hansen. It is a glitter topper, and it's been frankened a few times, but that's okay. So you can see these were my old lines. This blue is where I started in this project this year, and then I'm at the green. I did use it as a topper. I have used it as an accent nail. I've used it more than once, and yeah, I'm going to have fun with that one this year because I can actually use it as a topper. Another one that I have as a topper, this is from Artmatic. Really, really old, and I cannot believe I actually kind of sort of got a new line. I was at the red, and now I'm at the silver. I use this quite a few times, but it is such a thin topper, and it's like micro fine glitters that you don't use that much. I could use this every single mani, and I'm not going to make a ton of progress on it. It's going to take the whole year, but you know what? I'm using it. I'm making some progress on it. I'm happy about that. And the one I probably have the best progress on, I don't even know like what brand it is. There's no brand name on it. I was at this dark line here, and now I'm at the silver line. I did use this all over my nails, and then I don't remember which topper I put on it. It might have been, I might have done those two. But I've used them. So these 4 all have progress. I'm very excited about that. I really probably should pick a focus polish that I should go after, but I'm not ready to do that. I just want to play right now because it's my play year. So I'm just going to flit around like my little butterfly self, and I'm going to use what I feel like using every time that I decide I'm going to do my nails, and I'm hopeful that I will make some more progress so I can show you next month. So that is everything for this short and sweet update. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.